morning, you guys. I am so excited for today's video because I don't know which one you're going to be seeing first, but I'm doing 2 day in my lifestyle vlogs this week. One is going to be on a teaching day and like what my day looks like when I'm teaching, and one is going to be on a non-teaching day. And this is my day when I am not teaching. I do not have to go into campus. So I am just going to do my super quick, like no makeup look. I do have a full reel of this up on Instagram. I will link that down below in case you guys are interested in seeing it. This is the Merit Bronze Balm in the color Clay. And with this Merit brush, oh my goodness, it blends out so effortlessly. They did sponsor my reel, full disclosure, letting you know that, but I do use this literally every single day. You can see it in so many of my videos. This is the Flesh Balm in Cheeky. Last time I was teaching, I also had a full-time job at the architecture firm, and now I do not have that position as well as the teaching position. So I'm still kind of getting used to how I'm going to structure my weeks during the time that I'm not teaching, but it's still like during work hours. I want to be focusing more on being intentional with my social media and my social posts, but also starting my own little design thing on the side, which I'm really excited about. I'm actually redoing her primary bathroom right now. Well, I guess my mom and dad, but my mom's the one that's like kind of approving my decisions. She's in town right now because my older sister is about to have her baby, like literally could go into labor right now. And so my mom is in town, and I took her to one of my favorite slab showrooms, and she picked out Taj Mahal for the countertops and white sands marble for her floors, and then we're doing white sands in like a hex for the shower floor, and then we're looking for something different to do on the shower walls. There is something about being at a stone yard that really gets me. Like there's something about the girthy veining in those slabs that really gets me, and I freaking love going to the slab yard. So any excuse I am down for, but that's kind of what I'm spending my time on days when I'm not teaching. This is the Merit Beauty Signature Lip in the color Baby. It's kind of like Your Lips, but better. I love it so freaking much. And I just need a little bit of mascara. Very last step is the lip oil in Pink Beet. And if you guys have been wanting to try out Merit, like I said, I have that reel up on Instagram. They do not do promo codes or sales on their products. That's kind of part of their brand, but they do discount their kits. And I was able to create 2 different Blair kits on there. So if you do want to try out some of these products, if you purchase one of my kits, you are going to basically be getting the products discounted, which I think is really nice. So I have 2 different ones. One is the complexion kit, which comes with the 3 products I used on my face, and then the other one is the full kit, which also comes with the 2 lip products, and you can choose your own shades for each of those things. I will list down below what I'm wearing for all of them. But also my skin is just like super dry. If you see like dandruff or dry flaky skin like around my brows and stuff, that's literally just part of my skin during this time of the year. It'll last for maybe like 2 or 3 weeks and then it'll go away, but it does it every winter and it really bothers me. Gotta clean up all the mess I made. I don't know why I can't put things away while I'm getting ready. I basically have to lay everything out on the counter as I'm doing it and then have a mess to clean up afterwards. I'm hungry, so let's go make breakfast. For breakfast, I'm having the usual. It is my latest hyperfixation meal. It's very simple, just 2 scrambled eggs, half a blueberry bagel with some cream cheese on it. Super quick OOTD before I run out the door. So I am wearing my mini Uggs in black, and then these are the jeans from Abercrombie that I believe are like 90s relaxed denim or something like that. I'll try to find a link to them. My belt is from Ann Taylor. My shirt is from Nudes, which is one of my absolute favorite basic and layering brands. I love them so freaking much. So this is just like a cream ribbed long sleeve shirt. My coat is the Constant coat from Aritzia, and I like it better than the slouch coat because it does have a little bit more structure, so I feel like I can dress it up or dress it down. I will say that I have to lint roll it every single time I'm about to wear it because it just attracts like fuzzies and hair and fur and lint all freaking over it. Rings, I just have on my wedding stack. Necklaces, I have on my little bezel set half carat that my husband got me as a wedding gift, and then my mom got me this chunky gold chain for Christmas. I believe it was from Banana Republic. I have on my standard little diamond studs that I wear every single day. And then for my bag, I'm gonna take my Hermes Evelyn. This is kind of like a go-to fall and winter bag for me. It is my only Hermes bag, and I've had it for, I want to say, 8 to 10 years. And this is a bag that when I walked into Hermes in LA like 8 to 10 years ago, they had every color there. They were out on the shelf. You could just walk in, select one, and buy it. Now I've seen a lot of people on TikTok. Somehow I got onto like the Hermes bag unboxing side of TikTok, and so many people are getting called by their sales associate being like, we have a bag here for you. I always thought that meant you were being offered a Kelly or a Birkin, and I just have to go on record and say I think that's absolutely crazy that if you want to buy a bag, you have to like ask them and then wait, and then they will offer you like whatever color they have for it. It's absolutely insane to me. But that's the name of the game, and that's the demand, and I understand that. But people are being called by their sales associate thinking they're going in to get like a Birkin or a Kelly, and then they're being offered an Evelyn, which I don't understand, because when I went to go buy this bag, they literally had every color just sitting out there on the shelf. I didn't have to request one or ask for an appointment or any of that. So I feel like now they're trying to make these more exclusive as well, which I don't know. I liked that I was able to go in and just purchase it. I feel like back in the day when I had that kind of money that I was spending on bags, if I had been able to walk in and like try on Birkins or Kellys, I definitely would have some. I would have purchased some, and I would have taken them home just the way I did with all of my other designer bags. I think the fact that you have to request it and then be like offered it was always just a tiny bit off-putting to me. So I never requested one. I never asked a sales associate like, do you have any in the back? Can I have one? If I was gonna buy a Birkin or a Kelly, I would probably go through consignment at this point in my life and as I see myself moving forward, but I also can't really imagine that ever being in the budget for me again, if that makes sense. Like I have other priorities in my life now. So that was a really long section for the OOTD, but now we are going to head over to my sister's house. I'm going over to my sister's house because she has to go to an appointment to get an infusion that takes like 4 or 5 hours, and her husband is working, and my mom is going with her, obviously, to like keep her company and sit with her. And so her 6-year-old is in school, but her 2.5-year-old is not, and so she needed someone to watch him. So we are gonna go have an Aunt Boo Boo and Baby Hovey day. That's what we call him. His name is Scott, but long story. His nickname, basically, if I refer to Hovey or Hover or Hufflepuff, that is all the same 2.5-year-old nephew. These Picasso tiles are his favorite toy. We make little tracks, so Boo Boo is going to see if she can make the most fun track he's ever seen before. And in case you didn't know, I am Boo Boo. Very close. Yay! Goes. Uh-oh. Yeah. Look how impressive this track is that Hovey is building. Wow. All right, guys, where are we?
Build-A-Bear.
Build-A-Bear. You say it, Hovey?
Build-A-Bear.
Build-A-Bear. We are here at the mall. It's actually only 5:30 p.m., but it is this dark outside. James came home from school and his mama needs to get some packing done because this baby is coming so soon, like literally any day. So I have taken the boys and we are at the mall and we're gonna do a fun little adventure. Yeah, you want Chase? Hovey has picked out Chase. Can I see it? Yep, we still gotta stuff him. Which one are you getting, James?
Bluey.
Yeah, you're gonna do it too. Little seed on the petals.
Alright, give Bluey a hug. How does she feel? Is she stuffed enough? Yeah, you like it? Okay.
He likes popcorn. That's why I picked it out.
Yeah.
And Chase is also his favorite popcorn.
Good job.
You guys have really nice smiles.
Say thank you.
Hey, we all three of us have the same home.
Yeah.
Rub it in your hand.
Rub it in your hand. And a jump. Can you guys show me how you jump? Jump up and down. You want to jump up and down? Get the heartbeat nice and strong. Jump, 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 jump.
Yay!
Yeah, keep going. All right, you want to rub it on your tummy so it always has a sweet treat. And rub it on your arms so it gets you the best hugs ever. Rub it on your ears so they're great listeners. Rub it on your nose so they always know what to say. Rub it on your knees so they always need an awesome friend like you. Hold it to your heart. Make a very big wish.
Make a wish.
Put your heart inside, Chase.
Boo Boo will get it all wet under here. Whoosh, rinse it off. Now you brush him. It's all clean? Okay. I'll put this back. Is it time to go pick out their clothes?
Yep.
All right, let's go. Oh my goodness, look at this little sushi outfit. Oh my goodness. And a little, you're the PB to my J. Oh. This box is almost as big as him, but he is demanding to carry/drag it. He does not want any help. All right, Build-A-Bear was a success. We are back in the car. James, did you have fun? Yeah. Hovey, did you have fun? Yeah. After Build-A-Bear, we got some Chick-fil-A and we were hanging out, and then it was time to come home, get in the car and drive home. And the 2.5-year-old had a major temper tantrum, screaming, crying, throwing himself on the floor. Anyways, it was a moment. I had 2 Build-A-Bear boxes in my hands trying to also carry this screaming child that was like throwing itself everywhere. We're gonna go home, honey. Don't you worry, I'm gonna take you home right now. Your mom is gonna be so happy to see you. I'm finally home, but that baby is coming so soon, and I am so excited, but I need to get a little bit of work done because I told my students if they wanted to send me their floor plans for red lines before the weekend, I would get those over to them because they are actually due on Monday, so this would give them the weekend to kind of tweak and work on them, and I got a couple submitted. So I'm gonna go through, I'm going to redline some floor plans, and then I'm so excited because my friend Beth Ann is bringing her dog over, and Grant and I are going to dog sit for a few days. So I'm so excited to see Poppy, but let's spend a little bit of time. Probably will take me around like 45 minutes to an hour to get these red lines done. Also, can we just talk about how cute this green MAC is? I'm absolutely obsessed with it. So I was a Mac girl for a while, and then I switched over to PC just like for work because those are the computers that they provided for us. But now that I am working from home again, I did get a new iMac and I am obsessed with it, and I honestly forgot the difference in the screen quality. Oh my goodness, this one is like a 4.5 retina display, and it's a 24-inch display, so there's enough room that I can have like renderings up on one side and a floor plan on one side, and it has just been awesome for me. I've really been enjoying working in my little home office corner with this computer, and also even the keyboard is green and the mouse. I just love how everything is coordinated, and green is like a neutral to me, so I love it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get some of these floor plan red lines done. Oh my goodness, are you the cutest little girl or the cutest little girl? Hello, Poppy. This is Poppy, you guys. She is a mini golden doodle. She's about 1.5 years old, and Grant and I absolutely love nothing more than dog sitting her. She is such a snuggle bug. She cuddles me so hard at night. Oh my goodness. I am so excited to have a few days with you, love bug. Obviously, every day is going to be a little bit different, and this season of our lives, I'm helping Elle out a lot more than I typically need to just because of everything that's going on. But I am so excited to go wash my face and brush my teeth, and pick out a movie to watch with my husband and cuddle up with little Poppy Pop-Tart. I am just so tired. Thank you for spending the day with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.